Hi guys! Tonight I'm in Niagara Falls, Ontario, and I'm getting a bite to eat at the Rainforest Cafe. I've been to a couple other Rainforest Cafes. There's one in Las Vegas. There was one at Disneyland. I believe that one's closed. You know that I love themed attractions, so let's head in and check out the Rainforest Cafe. Rainforest Cafe. Giant tree frog up there under the Rainforest Cafe volcano. This looks ripe for a selfie stop. I guess these are the mascots: Tukey, Iggy, Bamba, Rio, Cha-Cha, Ozzy, Nile, and Maya. Looks like my adventure begins here. I really do enjoy the theming here. Kids love it. Everywhere is very themed. Over here we've got a beautiful tropical aquarium with some saltwater fish. Love to be able to sit at that table. And I don't know if you can see it, but up above there's actually the night sky with some shimmering stars. Got a Atlas fountain here. It says, "Rescue the rainforest." We have toucans flying overhead. Look out, we got a python up here. And a giant butterfly. Whoa. All kinds of jungle decorations everywhere. Up here, there's a giant iguana, giant plastic birds, and a giraffe. But the coolest part is the animatronic jungle animals. Just be sure to avoid climbing on the elephants. Here's a lazy leopard lounging right overhead. And a couple of gorillas guarding their territory. Oh, but this is the most fun. Every once in a while there's a thunderstorm in the jungle and the animals really get going. The bar area, you're sitting under a giant mushroom or toadstool. And they kind of got a little bit of a waterfall here. I don't know if you can see that. It's raining in the rainforest. Ooh, a little quieter out here in the gift shop. Pretty loud in there. This is a pretty big aquarium. I'm assuming that's a saltwater aquarium.
Shark in there.
Oh, cool. There's a reef shark back there. Just sitting there, chilling out. We've got a very cool moray eel hanging out up here. This tree over here looks pretty delicious. I guess this is a convenient way to store your collection of snakes. Oh, they've got stuffies of all the little mascots. It says this guy, I don't know what his name is. That guy is exclusive to Niagara Falls. Oh, that's Iggy. It says exclusive to Niagara Falls Rainforest Cafe. Some of the other... Whoa!
Hi, gang. I'm Tracy Tree. Everybody loves animals.
The African rainforests are home to parrots, such as the African gray, and others too numerous to mention. The rainforests of Australia and New Zealand are home to lories and cockatoos.
Thanks, Tracy Tree. The more you know. Some other little plushies down here. That's Rio, the parrot. Over here, Bamba, the monkey. We've got Nile, that's the gator. And let's see, down here, who's that guy? Cha-Cha! That's Cha-Cha. I think I'm a Cha-Cha fan. Yeah, you can also get them in wood-carved pencils or pens there. Those are kind of cute. Is that Iggy again? Awesome. Another python. This jungle is ripe with pythons.
They all live with me, here in the rainforest.
A whole bunch of Rainforest Cafe shirts. Although you'd think they could be a bit more colorful, these are a bit khaki for my liking. Some tie-dye shirts. Peace, love, and frogs. That's all today from the Rainforest Cafe. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our adventures on Clifton Hill, click the link above.